Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, July 12th, and quite a bit of economic news releases today. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what we got here. We'll start off with the NFIB Small Business Index, and basically, the previous month was at 90.9%. There is no estimate, but it actually came in at 90.8. So it dropped a little bit there. The index, basically what that is, it's what the group of small business owners out there, where they feel the economy's moving, growing, or lessening. And right now, there's not a whole lot of optimism right now with the small business index. And the trade balance, we start off with a negative 43.6 billion, which obviously is not good in itself. And then, so they're estimated actually to worsen a little bit to 44.5 billion, and actually came in at negative 50.2 billion. So those numbers again aren't good all around so far here. Job openings, a little bit better here. We got 2.95 million the previous month, and looked like they actually increased a little bit up to 2.97. So about another 20,000 jobs. Look like we have improvement a little bit, opening wise. So obviously we need that, especially after looking at last week's job reports. And then later this afternoon, we got the Fed minutes being released. So we'll find out a little bit more what the Fed was discussing during their last meeting last month, and it'll give us a little bit more insight. So that could definitely be a market mover for today. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news. The stock market's pretty much across the board is down a little bit, not like as bad as it was yesterday. And the biggest thing right now on the headline news is still continued concerns over Italy. This is a big concern because they've been paying really high yields on their bonds, and are they going to be able to continue to repay those, especially when you're talking millions and millions of dollars, and to repay that, obviously their cost to borrow those millions of dollars is pretty excessive. So are they going to be able to repay those? Are they going to have another bailout like Greece and Portugal and Ireland, some of those countries? So it raises more concerns over there, and Italy's a concern because they're actually the largest economy in Europe. So obviously that's something to watch out for. So let's take a look here at the bond market and where the interest rates are. Again, we haven't closed this gap we talked about yesterday. Uh, we did start off a little bit of opening gap here. I do see us closing this at some point, obviously, because I don't think we'll have a solid foundation going upwards. This continue our upward trend, especially without this without closing this here shortly. So I can see us maybe coming down, closing, and then maybe pulling back up or whatnot. So let's keep an eye. We're at the par, basically almost at the 101 level here. So we're kind of knocking on that door. It has been a tough resistance in the past. But right now, rates are slightly better, about the same as it was yesterday, depending on the lender you're working with, their pricing, and when they did any price changes. So, so look at interest rates are being a little bit better today. And so, anyways, I guess that's about it. We'll catch tomorrow. But some of the news we have to really watch out for this week would be CPI. We want to watch where inflation lies. That could be a definite market mover. If it comes in high, obviously that'll be a buzzkill for the bond market. So, anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And also, if you're in the market looking to buy a home, give me a ring. I'd love to be able to help you out with your pre-approvals or help you out with your financing needs. I can also help you with your refinance needs if you'd like to be able to lower your rates or maybe take some money out of your property for certain projects, maybe college funding to retirement to financial freedom. We have different strategies we can utilize your equity in your property into other investment vehicles and to show you different ways on how to attain those objectives. So just get in touch with me through my website at californiamortgagetips.com, and I'll catch you tomorrow.